Good morning, friends. It's Joy with Decor Made with Joy. And today I want to start a series that I've been thinking about for a little bit. I make a lot of grapevine wreaths, and I wanted to get back to some of the basics for new people. And so the first video I'm gonna make is about cleaning up a grapevine. So this is a grapevine that I got, I believe, from Michael's. It's an oval, it's an 18-inch. And I'll bring it up closer to the camera, but you see it has all kinds of things sticking out of it, perfectly normal. But that's going to get in the way and doesn't look attractive. So I love the vine ties or pieces of vine that have been wrapped around. I like actually some of the squiggly things like this, and I will leave that alone, but I got to get rid of some of these big things that are sticking out. So for new people, all you're going to do is take your wire cutters and start trimming that off. You'll never get it perfectly smooth, but you just don't want pieces that will snag on other things and get in your way of your design. So you just, you know, and some of them come full of leaves, and I'll take it outside. Or here in the craft room, I deliberately didn't finish the floor in here just so I could sweep it up at the end of the day. So sometimes I do it in here if I don't want to go downstairs and outside. Like right now, it's so hot. But I'll just clip these off into my floor and then sweep them up. No big deal. I've got air conditioning in here now, and it's comfortable. So you see some scragglies there that I'm going to trim off. Just get it, some people call this cleaning your grapevine. Getting your grapevine ready to build a design in it. Look at both sides and just trim off what you don't think is going to serve you well or gets in your way. This one has some little twigs in it, and you just pull those out. So getting your grapevine ready to build a design in it. I don't have them quite all off, but I have most of them. And I'll hold that up there. You can see that looks a lot better. Last thing I do on the back side is take my hand and run it around. Make sure that I feel a little few things sticking out, but nothing that's going to scratch my client's door or get in my way as I design. But if I find something, I'm going to clip it off and get that all set and ready for building a design. You will take, if you buy in bulk like I do from Michael's or Craft Outlet or Deco Exchange or White Bayou, you know, lots of places to buy. You'll take them out of the box sometimes and they'll just be falling apart and sparse and ugly. And unless you've got a lot of greenery and stuff that you can stuff that with, you might set that one to the side till you're building a design that has a whole lot to camouflage all that. There's been a few that are just totally unusable. If you order from Michael's in bulk, then you could take it back to the individual store, but I don't like doing that. It's not convenient. I do know some wreath makers that just make grapevine wreaths that will insist on going to hand pick their grapevines, and I could certainly see that. If you know, do this for a living and you have the time to do that, I could see that. And most of those people tend to go to like Hobby Lobby, whatever's in their area, so they can go ahead and pick it up. There's some wholesalers out there in some areas of the country where people go and pick out their grapevines at the wholesale place. I don't have a tax ID number or a wholesale place that I'm aware of around Franklin, Tennessee, so I don't tend to do that, but I might in the future. All right, so this is my finished trimming up. It's all set and ready for me to get my glue pot on and get ready for a design. I have something in mind. Y'all take care and let me know if you have any questions. Next in the series will be something else with grapevines. I think I'm leaning toward greening up a grapevine. All right, take care.